So next topic is IUPAC nomenclature. Already we seen the steps. So just remember once again I will revise the last step. First we have to see prefix, that is substituent, any substituent present in the branches. Branches means, suppose you consider this example CS3. Suppose CS3, CS3, OH. If it is one substance, depends upon the compound, so it is a substance present in the compound. So that is, first you have to consider this one as prefix. Next we have to see root word. Root word already is said. So one carbon means eth. This one you have to by heart. 2 carbon means methyl. 2 carbon eth. 3 carbon means pro. 4 means but. 5 means pent. 6 means X. You have to by heart this root word. And third step is saturation. Saturation means single bond. Unsaturation means compound containing double bond. Sometimes they didn't mention the single bond. If they didn't mention anything in the formula, means they are considered to be as single bond. Double bond unsaturation, definitely they mention any double bond in that compound. And final step is alcohol functional group is end with OL. So we see some examples. Suppose CH3, CH2, OH. So this compound you have to name the IUPAC nomenclature. Common name is ethyl alcohol. This one is common name. In case of IUPAC, so first we have to see the prefix. So prefix substituent. Substituent prefix means substituent. There is no substituent present in the branches. There is no branches. So straight away we go for root word. Root word means longest chain of the carbon. So you have only 2 carbon. 2 carbon means eth. Second step we have to see primary suffix, saturation or unsaturation. They didn't mention any bond. So consider to be single bond. So single bond means end with the ANE. So remember this. Saturation means end with ANE. Unsaturation means EN. So there is no mention, they didn't mention any bond. So consider to be saturation ANE. And final step is secondary suffix, final step. So end with the OL. While adding OL, you have to replace the C and add OL. So cut off this C and add OL. So IUPAC name of this compound is ethanol. Similarly, we try this compound. So we will see this compound. Already we seen this compound. IUPAC name is ethanol. Second, so if it is compound is more 3 or more than 3 means you have to number the carbon. That's the second step they mentioned. The carbon bearing OH group has lowest possible number. So you have to see, divide the functional groups, see left hand side, right hand side, which one is least, which one of the side contains least carbon. But in this compound, when you divide, you see both the carbon atoms are same. Because left hand side 1 carbon, right hand side also 1 carbon. So numbering from either side, it should be same. So 1, 2, 3. Or you number from this side 1, 2, 3. So that this number OH number should be n 2. So there is no any branch. So you have to ask one question, sir. OH is there, then you have to consider this one as branch. No, it is a functional group. So in this case, there is no prefix or any substituent. So you have to see second root word. Root word 1, 2, 3. 3 means pro. And second one is, third step is primary suffix, saturation. So no double bond, they mention single bond. So end with the ANE. Alcohol means, so we have to number the compound. So OH present in second carbon. So replace C, add 2 OL. So compound name is propane 2-all. Similar way you will try this compound. In this case, so you have to see numbering. So left hand side, right hand side, both the groups are same. So 1, 2 and 3. Name the compound. They mention first step is prefix or substituent. Substituent present in the carbon, that is branch is present. So the substituent present in which carbon you have to see. Which comes second carbon only, the CH3 group is added. CH3 means one carbon methyl. So 2-methyl. So this naming is over. So next we have to straight chain number of carbon is 1, 2, 3. 3 means pro, and they mention saturation single bond ANE, but OH is present in the second carbon, so you have to write it as, so E replaced by 2-ol. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Similarly, this one common name is neopentyl alcohol, but in this case, so functional group here, but right hand side no other group, no other carbon, so you have to start number from this side only, 1, 2 and 3. So naming, they have 2 substituent in the second carbon, so second carbon contains 2 methyl groups, so we write it as 2,2-dimethyl. Second carbon 1, 2, another one is 2. So 2, number of methyl group is 2, dimethyl. So this branch name is over. Next we see the straight carbon. Straight carbon contains 3 carbon, so pro. So single bond ANE. So E replaced by OH present in first carbon, so pro 1-ol. Propane 1-ol. Similarly, isobutyl alcohol, number the carbon 1, because right hand side no other group, so start numbering from left side only, 1, 2, 3. So first step suffix, substituent is present in the ring, but it is in the branch contains 1 carbon, so it is a methyl group, so 2-methyl. So first we have to name the substituent. Next this one is over. Let's take the linear chain. Linear chain 1, 2, 3 carbon is there, so pro, single bond, so end with ANE. Then functional group OH present in the first carbon, so 2-methyl propane 1-ol. So in the straight away I mentioned write this IUPAC name, but common name is benzyl alcohol. This one common name. IUPAC name, this whole group. This ring is another method of writing this formula, C6H5CH2OH. So we know this C6H5 is phenyl group. So phenyl, 1 carbon means mate, single bond, so end with ANE, functional group OH, so phenyl methanol. You can ask question, we have to number this, no need to number. If phenyl group is attached by 2 carbons, definitely we should number. Allyl, next one is allyl. In case of allyl alcohol, this name is allyl alcohol. Why it is allyl alcohol, I will tell you in the next topic. So in this case, we have to number, so right hand side no other group, so 1, 2, 3. So first you have to name. First there is no any substituent. Straight away you go for root word 1, 2, 3. Pro. They mention unsaturation. So the double bond present in second carbon, so pro 2-ene, and functional group present in first carbon, so pro 2-ene 1-ol. This compound name. In case of this is a dihydric alcohol. So straight away you number this 1, 2, because both the carbon contains functional group OH. So I am naming this compound. It is a 2 carbon root word, so write it as eighth, single bond present ANE. If it is 2 alcohol means you have to mention diol. If the write diol means you don't need to replace this E. Only for monohydric alcohol writing you have to replace E, add OL. In case of di or tri means straight away you have to write diol. No need to replace this C. Similarly, try this compound 1, 2, 3. So naming this compound this one is 1, 2 ethane, because first carbon, second carbon contains. In case of this 1, 2, 3, number the 1, 2, 3. So propane or you will try this thing. First step, the no branch, so straight away write it as root word pro and saturate ANA propane, and numbering 3 carbons contains OH, so 1, 2, 3 triol. So this is the EPA's name for glycerol. Among this one they will ask in 1 mark question. Glycol also sometimes they will ask in 1 mark question. Allyl alcohol is important. And that's all. Remaining things you understand the concept. These are about IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols.